Good day, everyone. This is Sandeep from Agility Academy. In today's session, I'm going to talk about key learning goals or learning objectives from Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant Program. So what will you learn in Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant 3 days workshop is what we are going to explore today. So just give me a minute. Let me share my screen and take you through the whole journey. It will take 2 to 3 minutes just to understand whole scope of this Discipline Agile Value Stream Consultant Program. All right, so here we go. So DAVSC, as it is sometimes known, is one of the advanced certification offered by PMI. And this particular certification goes beyond theory. It goes and take a deeper look into organizational level challenges when it comes to delivering value by leveraging multiple teams, multiple experts across organization. So as name suggests, Discipline Agile Value Stream Consultant. So in this particular program, you are going to understand what is it when it comes to applying Discipline Agile mindset, why you need to do certain things, how you need to take bespoke, customized, tailored approach, and what need to be kept in mind in order to make sure that whatever changes you bring in organizations are effective. So you will see that what are different aspects of Discipline Agile mindset. You'll also understand that as a value stream consultant, your scope is beyond just one particular team, beyond just one particular program or group. As a value stream consultant, you will always start your engagement by understanding what is my scope. If I'm going to optimize value for certain customers in certain customer segments or markets or business unit, then your focus area is to finding out different ways through which you can improve that flow of value by leveraging advanced concepts such as theory of constraint, organizational design patterns, human behaviors, and whatnot. So let me help you understand how, as a Discipline Agile Value Stream Consultant, you are supposed to help continuously improve value delivery across organization. So in this 3-day workshop, you will be going through, this is something called as an idealized value stream. So in an idealized value stream, your focus area will be more about thinking from customer's point of view, what is required in order to deliver what has been identified as a need by the customer and then converted as a valuable solution, product, service, whatever it may be, and it's delivered to the customer in a shortest sustainable lead time or time to market. So in this Discipline Agile Value Stream Consultant program, you will go through 14 different lessons. It's over 3 days. You'll also have opportunity to explore certain practical tools, templates created in a Miro. Miro is nothing but a virtual whiteboard predominantly used in many organizations when it comes to collaborating across teams, which might be geographically distributed or working remotely. So in this particular program, you'll start by understanding that what need to be done when it comes to portfolio management. What is the difference between agile lean funding and agile budgeting? What's the difference between budgeting and funding? What kind of approach needs to be taken in order to support that something which is called as a MBI? So MBI, minimum business increment, it's another term or new term which is introduced by PMI Discipline Agile when it comes to identifying investment for revenue or significant investment in some idea which might generate revenue, might help your organizations to grow. So how you can identify those MBIs, what need to happen when it comes to feeding those MBIs or sharing those MBIs to delivery teams. So in Discipline Agile delivery, you might have teams who might be following SAFe, you might have teams who are following Scrum or Lean or something else. But at the end of the day, you want those teams to be organized in such a way that they can produce that consumable solution, which is nothing but MBI. You'll also understand and learn different things which are required to work in a big ecosystem. What kind of challenges you might face when it comes to trying to improve that value delivery, with whom you need to engage. Many times as a value stream consultant, you might be brought in with certain scope. So it is up to you to help everyone understand what is possible, what is not possible, what are the top priorities, understanding the customer culture, organizational culture, taking them as your allies before you go and start introducing any changes. So these particular workshops takes you through the full life cycle right from the moment idea has been generated, right from the moment need has been identified by the customer, till the time that product, solution, service is delivered to the customer, which represent value for which customer is ready to invest, and business is also ready to invest. So that's about Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant Program, where you'll understand what need to happen, what need to be done in order to reduce those delays, remove those blockers, and then change the way currently things are done. It might be more in terms of how you organize teams, how you define your product backlog. It might be more to do with how you fund your work, how you create a right type of governance model for teams to thrive and support customer needs. So that's about Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant Program. 3 days program, pretty hands-on, very, very advanced. One of those programs in the industry in which there are very few people who have got certified. I think there are less than 200 people across world who are Disciplined Agile Value Stream Consultant certified. And most often we see people who are in a senior role leading agile transformation, or someone who is keen to move into that enterprise agile coach or consultant role, taking this program. So feel free to reach out to me, reach out to us on one of the phone number which is mentioned here. You can WhatsApp us. You can also drop us an email. If you are sure that this is right fit for you, go ahead and register today at agilityacademy.com.au on our upcoming workshop. That's it for today. Thank you so much and have a good one.